I mean, there's been a lot of great pieces of advice I've received over the years, but I guess the one that comes to mind first is my chess coach always taught me to just make the best move. Like, don't think, what do I feel like playing? Like, what did I play yesterday? What am I reacting to? None of that matters, right? You look at the board, you figure out what the pieces are, what do you know about the position, and just make the best move. And if you only have one possible move to make, just make it. Don't think. Make it, and then you'll think later. But a lot of people would still look at it like a deer looking at headlights, right? And try to think, but wait, but I'm so worried. What comes next? What comes after this move? Maybe it will go bad. Yes, but you have one option. Make it, and then think on your opponent's time, to use a chess term. I'm on one of the unusual people who really connected to books describing the journey of some real person, whether it's an autobiography of, I don't know, Benjamin Franklin or any of the industrialists of the late 19th century, or whether it's really reading any book where people really reach for the stars and achieve something incredible. Because when I was growing up, everybody around me was really smart, really hardworking, really dedicated, and really limited in their ambitions because the environment just didn't allow that much ambition, right? My father is very smart. He worked one job in his entire life in the Soviet Union and then worked one job in his entire second life in Israel, you could say, right? Two jobs in his life. That's the ambition of that generation in my family and in my surroundings. But then I would open a book and I would see somebody who went out to the unexplored frontiers of the West and created a giant company out of nothing, out of selling jeans to people who are digging for gold, for example, if you talk about Levi's, right?
Right.
And like these are the things that really inspired me. And maybe this is why my family cringes when they look at me, because I take all these risks because in my mind, my mentors did these things. Now, I only met those mentors in letters on a white page, right? But they're still my mentors. Actually, you and I have very similar sayings because ever since I was a child, I was saying it's wrong to think about inside the box or outside the box. How about you think without the box?
Right.
So,